Greetings law aspirants. Today we are here to discuss an important update for law aspirants and also discuss something relevant to students who decide that law is their calling as early as 10th grade. Junior college would be the point where the first important step towards specializing a particular subject comes into play. And strictly speaking, the choice has to be in a stream of subjects you are really passionate about, leading up to a career choice, specializing in the same stream. And as far as law is concerned, broadly speaking, the most suitable stream to pick if you wish to have a career in law is the humanities stream, which focuses on social sciences and language, which are essential for the study of law, as well as for various entrance exams, which relate more to this stream more than any other stream. However, if you wish to take up law with a commerce degree as the base degree, that is BCom LLB, BBA LLB, and so on, commerce stream would be an advisable option. And even if you are a science student, there are emerging fields of law such as the patent law you can pursue with an LLB. Moving on to the news update. The entrance exam to one of the most prestigious group of institutions to learn law, namely the Symbiosis Law School, the Slat 2022, has been declared open for registrations. Slat is the acronym for Symbiosis Law Admission Test. The Symbiosis International Deemed University conducts the Slat, a common written entrance exam for law admission processes. Symbiosis International University, also known as Symbiosis International, is an Indian university with its headquarters in Pune. Pune, Hyderabad, Noida, and Nagpur are the university's legal education locations. We highly recommend attempting the entrance owing to multiple factors, such as this university being known to be one of the most well-known private institutions of legal education, and also owing to the access and proximity to legal practitioners these locations can provide. Access to legal practitioners is an amazing way to build experience alongside your stint at law school. On January 25, 2022, SLAT 2022 application forms were made available, and the deadline for application is April 24, 2022. Interested candidates must apply and pay the application fee by this deadline. The exam will be held online on May 14, 2022. And since this is a week after your CLAT 2022, your preparation for CLAT would definitely come handy to ace this entrance exam, and would also be a powerful alternative if you do not happen to maybe get your even less preferred law school via common law admission test. And keep in mind that depending on the circumstances surrounding the pandemic in our country, the exam structure and mode for SLAT may be altered. The registration fee per test is rupees 1,950, and for more details you can log on to the official website of the university. So now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for SLAT. Candidates must pass their 12th grade or an equivalent examination as an essential criterion, and furthermore, candidates must have a minimum aggregate of 45%, while SC/ST students must have a minimum aggregate of 40%. 300 seats inclusive of 180 seats of BBA LLB and 120 seats of BA LLB is the intake for this year. Separate rank lists for each of the courses would be published by the university. And here it must be noticed that BBA LLB would not be available for students who have taken up humanities stream in the junior college. There is also an over and above sanctioned intake for Kashmiri migrants, that is 2 seats per course, and for foreign nationals as well, which is 15%. Also keep in mind that the application has to be made online. Now coming on to the syllabus of the exam, the online exam would have 5 sections which include logical reasoning, legal reasoning, analytical reasoning, reading comprehension and general knowledge, with 12 questions each, and there will be 60 questions total and a maximum mark of 60 marks. So are you looking for the best way to prepare yourself for this test? Fret not, for we are here to assist you. Check out Indic Law self-paced and scheduled courses which are prepared and taught by individuals who have been there and done law entrances successfully. Wish you the very best. Do like and subscribe. Goodbye from Indic Law.